I'm tired. So, for those of you who did not know, or for those of you who are currently homeowners and wanted to refinance your home and couldn't do so when the rates were extremely low due to your credit. So, as always, I was reading, and I was on the NACA website. Good evening. And I read where you can refinance your mortgage regardless of your credit score. Like, the whole thing with NACA is that giving you an opportunity to get a mortgage regardless of your credit score, right? So as I was reading it, because, oh, by the way, go ahead and register. On the 25th of February, they're having their festival, and it's going to be in several states, and I'm sure you can attend it online to learn about how to purchase with zero down payment, zero closing costs, no points, no fees, regardless of your credit. So if your credit is wonderful, if it's horrible, you can go ahead and register for their festival. Hello, good evening. And the website is NACA.com. So regardless of your status, whether your credit is together, whether you need down payment assistance, whether your credit is poor, regardless, I suggest that you go ahead and check it out. So again, the website is NACA.com. Hello, NACA.com. So go ahead, look into it. The festival is on the 25th of February, which is ironically 2 days after my birthday. So you can learn about the benefits that they offer in home ownership and everything. Like I said, it's not just for people with bad credit. It's for people who just basically want to, hey, love. And I got your email, and I'll ask her on tomorrow, by the way, purple. So it's for people who want to basically get into home ownership and save money while doing it. If your credit is bad, okay. If your credit is good, okay. You can still benefit from it. So that part. Also, I didn't know, as I was reading, that they also do renovation loans. I'm good. How are you? So for people who want to get their home renovated and they didn't quite have the credit to qualify for it, you can go that route too. Like, there are so many things that you just learn. There's so many things that you can just learn when you just basically read, right? So I was sitting there and I was reading. I don't even know. I think somebody asked me a question in one of the comments. So I was reading to learn their answer. And then when I read it, I was like, wait a minute. NACA does refi? And this isn't refi for just NACA loans. This is a refinancing for any mortgage, right? All persons qualify. So if you know somebody who's on the struggle bus, and they need their payments lower, right? Because they may have had, they may have had some challenges with their employment. You know, a lot of people got laid off recently, and they don't want to lose their home, and they want to refi to get lower payments. Now is the time, right? And that's the best route to go. Because usually, like, if you're having an issue with your employment and you lose your job, well, your credit, it starts to suffer. So that's an option for you. Also, next thing we have been talking about and lately a lot was wealth building, right? So they're also a good way to wealth build as well, regardless of what your credit score is, right? Because of the fact that it does not base it on credit. So whether you have good credit or bad credit or whole hum credit, you can still qualify for it, but you can still purchase up to 4 units. So it's still the wealth building option, right? So check me out. You can still purchase up to the 4 units. And I think that you guys forget that you also can do this as well. You can purchase a mixed use property. Hey, Hewitt. Yes, I can help in Mississippi. Call me, sister. Need your help. Do y'all know y'all can call me? Like, for real? Okay, moving on. I think you guys also forget that you can purchase mixed use property, which is also another way to generate income, right? And here's what I mean by mixed use property. Would you recommend a multifamily if you're paying cash? Yes, I will always recommend a multifamily. And why would you pay that much cash when you can get financing and use that cash to do something else with? Always play with somebody else's money. Never play with your money. Moving on. But if you need help, you guys, link in bio. Boom. So my link for my email is in the bio. Regardless of if you are in the continental United States. The continental United States. I am available to help. My email is in my bio. So let me say this. I think you guys forget about mixed use properties. So this is what a mixed use property is. Hey, husband. A mixed use property, husband. Can you put my email in the comments, please? Thank you. A mixed use property is when you can have a store downstairs and an apartment upstairs. You ever seen those storefronts that they'll have maybe a bunch of stores downstairs and an apartment upstairs? You can purchase that too. So fundamentally, you can purchase a building that has residents up top and have businesses at the bottom, and you can rent out that as well. I will be the first person. Tell Junior to send me the email. I don't know which one. I can't really scream because I'm on loud because he got the music playing in there. But he has his phone. So that's an option too, right? You guys can do that. So there's so many different things that you can do that I just think maybe hasn't been mentioned to you before, or you just never considered it as an option. You had already the problem is comps. Not always. It sounds like to me the problem is a good real estate agent. But that's a different story. So, because they're basing it on the rental property. So what do you mean the problem is comps? They're basing it upon the rental income, what it's going to bring in. And when I say they, I mean the lender. But anywho,
She wants me to place to put on her live, and then you text it to me what she write. Don't say it because you don't want her to get banned on TikTok.
Do you realize?
Okay, so write the email that you want Dad to do whatever with, and then I'll text to him. That's what I got from that.
That's what everybody on TikTok just got too.
Okay.
I swear, y'all, in this household, I am. Boy, I swear I will push you down. In this house. Right. TikTok know too much of my real life. I swear. As you can see, clearly nothing that goes on in this house is scripted. Moving on. Yeah. So, like I was saying, I think you guys forget he has to carry the comedy when I'm not there. I see, husband. So, moving on. Y'all, this is my real life. That's all I got to say. I think you guys forget that you have the option of purchasing mixed-use properties as well, right? So there are several different ways in which you can invest in real estate. Y'all stop laughing at them, because y'all know when y'all laugh at them, it just eggs them on. Hello, Jacqueline. So, and he's coming back. I told y'all. It could be all lowercase. It's all the same when it comes on the email.
Okay.
So, I think you guys forget that that's an available option to you when you are purchasing. Hello. You can't help but love them. When you are purchasing property, that there's more than one way to go into it to become, for it to be profitable and to build wealth, right? So, y'all stop laughing at them. The more y'all laugh at them, the more they're going to cut up. I'm trying to tell y'all. I just need y'all to move on, okay? Because if y'all laugh at them, they're going to keep coming back. I try to do this every day, but when you let a clown come in the castle, The kingdom becomes a circus. But anyway, so that's for you. I wanted y'all to think about that, right? Also look for mixed use property. Just imagine, renting out the property to a business, right? Look into that. See how lucrative that is. Because you're going to come back and you think about it like when you're renting to a business, you have your base rent and then you can charge them additional based upon the profits that the business generates. Sounds like money to me. See, everybody wanting these barn dominiums. Y'all know that's new. So people be a little leery about financing it. So your best route to go with that is to get a construction loan. Right? The best route is a construction loan. Oh, just a little piece of skin above my eyelid. So, yeah, a construction loan. And I haven't seen in my reading where you can use the RD Direct loan. So I don't know. What if you have money to put down on the property, but you don't have a job? You're going to need a job because they're going to want to make sure they can get paid. Now, here's the other way to skirt around that, Rosalind. An investor's loan. Now, if you do an investor's loan, then you'll put down 20% and they'll base it upon meaning the approval will be based upon the income that the property generates. So that means you have to find the right property to determine what's the ROI, meaning return on investment, that you're going to get